Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to append two or more tables. It's always a good idea to append tables that have identical or similar structure so that we can apply the transformations to less number of tables and also to make it easier for us to model these tables and include them in the relationships we build for our model. So over here we would be appending the tables titled append 2 which have column names, name, department and salary, with the other table that's titled append 1. So as you can see, the column names are not identical to the column names we have at append 2. So what would happen when we append the two tables together? We go to append queries on the home tab, and by default the current table that we are selecting, that is append 1, is included. So we just need to select the other table that we would like to append with, that would be append 2. So if we hit OK, the appending operation wouldn't be done appropriately because we have different column names. So the column names for this table, append 1, are different from the column names for the append 2 table. So if we undo this appending operation and just use the first row as headers over here, as these names, if used as the column names, would be identical to the column names used over here. So if we use the first row here as header and redo the appending operation, the appending operation would be done appropriately since the column names on the two tables are identical. Of course, in many cases you wouldn't have the appropriate column names registered on the first row. So in that case, you need to simply change the column names by double-clicking and writing down the appropriate column name that's matching with the other table. So the whole idea is to have the column names on the two tables to be matching each other in order for the data of each table, on each column, to be listed below each other. Finally, it's worth mentioning that we can append more than two tables at the same time. So if we go to append queries, if we select this option that says 3 or more tables, we can define as many tables as we like to append them. And we just need to add these tables to the right hand side list in order for all of these tables to be appended together. Finally, it's worth mentioning that we can append more than two tables at the same time. So if we click on append queries here and choose 3 or more tables, we can define as many tables as we like to append them together. All we need to do is to select the table that we would like to append with the current table and click on add to add it to the right hand side list. And once we are done, all we need to do is to click OK in order for all of these tables to be appended together. And that's all we need to know about appending tables in Power BI. See you in the next video. If you like this type of content, subscribe to our channel, hit like and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And by the way, we also offer Power BI consulting and training services at www.powerbimaster.com. See you in the next video.